But before we start today's video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon, and like, share, and comment to this video.
Today I'll be trying out the Creality K1 Max 3D printer. This device has lightning fast printing speeds and is fully automated, making the printing process so easy. Let's check it out. The first thing I noticed about this printer was its size. This thing is massive, giving you so many more options when compared to other smaller 3D printers. Inside the box, you'll find the power source, the touchscreen, a roll of filament, and all the tools you'll need to get started. It also comes with an upgraded ceramic heater and hot end, which help produce those 600mm per second printing speeds. These rubber feet help stabilize the machine, and this spool holder right here attaches to the back of the unit and holds the wire spool in place. Before we begin, it's highly important that we read the instruction manual. The only thing we need to assemble on this printer is a touchscreen. It installs right at the front of the printer, and all you need to do is connect the ribbon cable and snap the touchscreen right into place. Make sure it's snug and check to see if the door still opens. If it doesn't, you don't have it installed properly. Now we can connect the power cable to the back of the unit. This is a 120 volt power source. Next, we'll install the wire spool holder. It snaps right into place by turning it clockwise right at the back of the unit. This printer can accept pretty much any filament, but it works so much better using Creality filaments. Place the spool on the holder, then run the filament through this white tube until you can't push it in anymore. Once it stops, it's ready to go. Now we can take off the sticker on the air filter, which is completely removable and replaceable. Carefully place the top glass on the printer. Having glass surrounding this entire printer is really cool, because you can keep an eye on your prints at all times. And speaking of keeping an eye on your prints, there's a built-in camera inside, which videotapes the entire process. Now this step is highly important, so pay attention. There are 3 screws inside of the printer, marked with these yellow arrows. These need to be removed before powering on the printer. Here's another look at the 3 screws. Make sure you identify and remove each one, or else serious damage can occur to your printer. Now that that's taken care of, it's time to power on the printer and see how it works. It's got both an AI camera and a LiDAR sensor built into it. The initial setup takes only minutes, and everything is done right here on the touchscreen. Once set up, you can connect up to 12 printers in unison and print massive projects all at once. It's also 12 times faster than other printers on the market, thanks to its 600mm per second printing speed and 20,000mm per second acceleration. I know it's hard to see, but this printer is connecting to our Wi-Fi, so we can make prints remotely from anywhere around the world. The printer can also be connected to the Creality mobile app, which gives you full control over the printer and gives you access to thousands of user-generated prints. Once the setup is complete, the printer will go through a self-check process. This takes about 15 minutes and is highly important to ensure that everything is functioning properly on the printer. The best thing about it though is that it's fully automated, so you don't have to do any work. All the updates and software can be installed right on the printer. While that downloads, let's scan the QR code inside the instruction booklet so we can get to know the K1 Max. It'll take you to Creality Cloud, where you'll find all the information you need on every single Creality device out there. Inside the cloud, you'll also find a link to download the Creality mobile app. Here you'll have access to thousands of official and user-created prints, which you can download straight to your device and print at any time. Some of these prints are highly detailed and absolutely amazing. With the Creality K1 Max, the opportunities are endless. In the app, you can also manage your workbench. Here you can add your device, so we're going to add the K1 Max so we can make prints straight from the app. The app setup is straightforward and very similar to the setup on the printer. Simply scan the QR code with your cell phone and the printer will connect automatically. Easy as that. Now you have full control over the printer right on your cell phone, and you can make prints from anywhere with the touch of a button. You can even access the camera right on the mobile app and take recordings of your prints in real time. The app tells you the temperatures on the nozzle, the hotbed, the chamber, and it even gives you your printing speed. You can load files straight to the printer, or make prints right from your mobile device. It's finally time to make our first print. We're going to keep it simple and do a print that's loaded straight onto the device. This one's pretty popular. It's called Benchy, and it's a small boat that's highly detailed and really cool. With the push of a button, the printing process has already started. This device is equipped with hands-free auto-leveling. It's got an array of sensors built right into the hotbed, giving you the most accurate leveling mesh. It also has dual cooling fans, so your model hardens before any stringing or warping occurs. The new built-in ceramic heater can achieve 200 C temps within 40 seconds. This cuts down prep time significantly, so you can start your prints right away. The printer's ultra quiet too, thanks to the built-in G sensor, which eliminates ringing and detects even the slightest vibrations. I'm still blown away by the lightning-fast printing speed on this device. Most printers function at 50mm per second, so seeing this device go 600mm per second is absolutely insane. It's got a sturdy frame as well to handle these powerful speeds. There's nothing quite like watching your wildest ideas come to life right before your very eyes. With this printer, you can print just about anything. Each creation is highly detailed and extremely durable. And as you can see, there's very minimal stringing and no warping whatsoever. With the Creality K1 Max, the opportunities are limitless. And you can print your wildest ideas from anywhere around the world straight from your mobile device. If you'd like to learn more about the K1 Max or any other product from Creality, check out the link below, and thanks for watching.